Veer Bal Divas 2025 was observed with solemnity and patriotic spirit at PM Shri Adarsh Vidyalay, Moirbari to commemorate the supreme sacrifice of Sahibjada Joravar Singh Ji and Sahibjada Fateh Singh Ji, the younger sons of Shri Guru Gobind Singh Ji. The program was organized to instill in students the values of courage, righteousness, and commitment to truth, drawing inspiration from the historical martyrdom of the Sahibzadas. The day commenced with a special morning assembly featuring an address by the principal highlighting the significance of Veer Bal Divas and its relevance in nurturing moral values among learners. A few students also delivered speeches reflecting upon the life and sacrifices of the Sahibzadas. The atmosphere was marked with respect and admiration as students pledged to uphold the virtues of truth, discipline, and humanity. A series of activities were conducted throughout the day to encourage active participation. The students showcased remarkable dedication in a role-play presentation on the life and martyrdom of the Sahibzadas, bringing history to life through expressive performance. A rally was organized within and around the school premises, wherein students carried messages and slogans promoting courage, patriotism, and commitment to righteousness. To further reinforce learning through creative expression, multiple competitions were held, including drawing, essay writing, recitation, slogan writing, and poster making. The themes were centered around valor, sacrifice, and historical heritage. The enthusiasm and competitive spirit among students resulted in impressive displays of talent and understanding of the theme. The best entries from each category were selected for appreciation and future display on the school notice boards. The Veer Bal Divas program concluded on a
supreme courage sacrifice of the four Sahibjadas, the brave sons of Sri Guru Gobind Singh Ji, the 10th Guru of Sikhism. Veer Bal Divas is observed every year on 26 December to remember Sahibjadas Joravar Singh Ji and Sahibjada Fateh Singh Ji, who showed unmatched strength and faith at a young age. The Sahibjadas were not just warriors of the battlefield, but warriors of values. They stood firmly for truth, courage, equality, and faith, even when faced with great challenges. Veer Bal Divas is not also a day of inspiration. It reminds us to be fearless, honest, and compassionate in our daily lives. I am Yumna Siri from class 4 standard. Today we are here to talk about Veer Bal Divas. Veer Bal Divas is celebrated on 26 December each year. This
5वीं कक्षा से आज वीर बल दिवस के ऊपर एक छोटी सी कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ। नन्हे थे लेकिन वीर महान, साहिबजादों ने किया बलिदान, धर्मों के खातिर जान गवाई, सच्चाई की मिसाल दिखाई। जोरावर फतेह का था जज्बा, दुश्मन भी देखे उनका रुतबा, कच्ची दीवारों में सो गए लेकिन अमर कहानी हो गई। वीर बल दिवस हमें सिखाता, साहस धर्मों का पाठ पढ़ाता। नमन करें हम उन बलवानों को जो रोशन कर गए जमानों को। धन्यवाद।
मैं आज आपके सामने एक छोटी सी कविता वीर बल दिवस के ऊपर प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ। वीर बल दिवस हमें गर्व सिखाता है, यह जैसे आप मनाते हैं। जो बोले सुनिहार।